So we're here at Home Depot looking at the new September buy one get one free tool deals that have just been released on September 5th. And this is sort of like an early start to Black Friday. So I'm going to put links in the video description below for you for most of these deals that we can find. And you'll see some of them on the lower left of the screen in that button that says view product. You can check them out that way too, some of them. But you'll find most of them in the video description below. So the way this tool deal here works with Milwaukee, there's two versions of it, two different flavors. There's a standard deal and then there's the premium tools. So the buy one get one free here on the standard deal is $129. And if you buy this battery starter kit here, this one here has the XC 4.0 battery and the CP 2.0 battery. So if you buy this kit for $129, you get to choose one of these tools for free. And here's a couple of those tools right here. You got the compact spot blower. I love these little guys. I have a little one from Ryobi that I use on my miter saw and the table saw just to blow the dust off. Those are great for that. And you have their M12 compact inflator as well as one of the other tools that you'll get for free as part of that deal. And then these are the other four that you could get. So you could either buy them by themselves and pay this, or get them free with the battery kit over there. So here you got the little M12 impact driver as one of them. And then right here, you have the M12 23 gauge stapler. Or how about the cordless rotary tool? This here is like a battery operated version of a Dremel tool. Now I am really digging this light here. I have the bigger version of this one at home. You guys have seen me with this one. It's more like the size of a vacuum cleaner, small vacuum cleaner. But anyway, this one here is the pack out floodlight with USB charging. And this is your other tool that you would get for free as part of that deal. And what's cool about this is since this is a pack out, this here, it will plug on top of any of your other pack-out boxes. See, that's what it looks like sitting on top of your pack-out stack. And this comes with some low-profile internal storage, too, to put some other batteries in there. And with this M12-powered floodlight, you can get up to 1,400 lumens. And then for $29.97, you get this 50-piece here Shockwave. This is the impact drill and drive set. See, it's got a little bit of everything. I like this kind of kit. So it's got a few drills. This is the most common bits that you're ever going to use here. And it even has a little socket adapter and a 1/4 inch and a 5/16 inch nut drivers. This is great for when you're putting together like refrigerators and dishwashers and other things, and you need a quick hex screw to unscrew something, and you need a hex driver to undo one of those hex nuts. Now the second flavor of this deal is you're getting a little bit bigger one. So you're getting an XC 5.0 battery with a CP 2.5 amp hour battery. So just a little bit more powerful setup on the batteries. So if you pay $249 for that, they then open up the number of tools here. You get more to choose from, whichever one you want to get for free. And then this group of tools right here is some of those freebies. Now here you could get the M12 rocket light. This is a good time to score it when you can get this rocket light as a buy one get one. Now the M12 is smaller. I don't like it as much as the big one, but I do like it for its compact size, and it's very easy to carry around with you. But it has a hard time standing up, and once you get it up there, clicked up, it'll stay up. But it's just, their whole mechanism is strange compared to the M18, which uses like a clamp system to hold it in place. And you're stuck with two positions. And these are the other tools that are now opened up to you when you take advantage of this premium buy one get one tool deal from Milwaukee. So, or you could just buy these at $10 off each. But here you got the radio charger, the M12 radio charger, the M12 fuel circ saw, but it's a small one. It's only a 5 3/8 inch, just keep in mind. And then of course the multi-tool. Now this tool right here, I am liking this puppy right here. This is part of that buy one get one free deals, or you could pay $199 for it. But this is Milwaukee's brand new 12-volt stick transfer pump. And this is awesome too. If you don't know what a stick transfer pump is, what it does is whenever you have a flood somewhere that you can't get to and vacuum it very easily, that's what this thing does. It's perfect. It'll take flood waters from a lower area and get them up and out. I love this thing. What a great score. What an idea this is. And this guy here shows it on the packaging. The dude cleaning out looks like a cesspool there. So here they have the 6-piece red helix cobalt drill bit set. These are $17.97, and these were just put up the other day. And then here you have the impact driver version of these. This is the Shockwave, the 7-piece red helix titanium for $16.97. And if you want a bigger one, here's a 60-piece version. Now this one's made for the pack-out system, although I don't see where it would clip on the top of any of the boxes or anything. Maybe it just fits in there. But here, again, you have a little bit of something for everybody here. and including this extender. So I believe this 8-inch extension unit here is magnetic, and $34.97. Now they have this display here that they just brought in this week, and again this one is good until October 22nd. Now the thing is, there's no price on these, and I scanned them in and they don't even come up, so I don't even know what these are pricing at. Now it says over here there's over $39 in here, so I don't know what they're charging for this one. Anyway, this one is mostly axe and torch blades. So wood and metal, that's the 13 piece. And they have this other kit here, which has axe. This is the wood, the nail embedded wood. So these blades here are made for doing wood, 9-inch. And I like this little kit right here next to it because this has the wrecker blades, folks. So this one, it's actually, that wrecker blade is free. What it really is this is a 5-piece torch blade. So the torch for cutting the metal, and then a wrecker blade for just general kick butt demo. Now we showed you some of these here at the Labor Day sale, and this is still going on here, so this hasn't expired yet. These are your wall-mounted pack-out organizers and stuff. And here's the bins, so you can get the large bin if you need a larger one inside. And these are down to $29.98. And then all of these other assorted ones here that you have different hooks. All of these attach onto that black wall bracket. These have been ongoing since July, but these are the Dewalt deals that expire at the end of October. So if you buy any one of these 4 kits right up here, you get a free 5 amp hour battery. As we showed you before, we have new lower prices on several of the Dewalt tool-only deals. And they also set up this new display here from Milwaukee this week. And here we have the 550 lumens red lithium stick light. This is $79. And this headlamp version is $49.97. And they've got the cut level 1 gloves here are down to $4.97. And they're already getting crowds of people around the Halloween display. N95 masks are down to $197. Now the Milwaukee 30-foot compact tape measure is down $2. To $19.97. And also at $19.97, here's the Torque Lock long nose and the curved jaw locking pliers. And I got one of these at home, the Fastback folding utility knife. And I love these, man. Look at this. For $14.97, you get the 4-piece precision screwdriver set. Or you can get the straight cutting aviation snips. Or maybe you just want to get a little ream and punch set. These are $24.97. So this display will be up until October 22nd as well. And of course, the other display that they just got in from Milwaukee, of course, they got more of these lights. And you can see their prices right there. You get the helmet, the front brim vented hat. This is a Type 1 Class C. And it looks to me like you can put the headlights on there too as well. The headlamp, $21.57. And we have the safety vest, and we have the 2-pack of the cut level 2 gloves for $14.88. All right, so once again, they've dropped the price of the M18 rocket light down to $179. Of course, you know, I think you should always wait for whenever you can get it as a buy one, get one. I would wait until Black Friday on this. So this is going to end on the 22nd of October, but my guess is maybe after that or sometime before Black Friday, they'll come up with a new one that has this as part of a buy one, get one like they do every year during the Christmas season. But in the meantime, they did start another buy one, get one on the M18, but it's very limited. So if you buy this starter kit here for $199, which has an XC 5.0 amp hour battery with it, you get to choose here between the Rover M18 light or the Searchlight or the other little floodlight. So here's the Searchlight here, here's the floodlight here, and the Rover M18 is right there. Now they probably have these locked up, but what this deal is another buy one, get one free. See right here, if you buy this M18 Fuel 3/8-inch impact wrench, that's the one with a friction ring, for $219, then you get this Shockwave drive set for free. Now these are really nice because I have this at home and I love this kit. I like the big light. I love the big white numbers engraved on the side of the sockets. Very easy to see. If we have any fans here from Little Mermaid, look at this. You got Ursula all the way up from the bottom of the sea. Okay, now in terms of Makita tool deals that went live this week, you have the 16 gauge pneumatic. This is the straight finish nailer, and they dropped the price down to $129. Remember, this one is pneumatic. Now they have the Makita Quiet Series. The 1 gallon compressor is down to $159. And their new 18 volt LXT 14-inch brushless chainsaw at $249 here. And it's a kit, so it comes with the battery and the charger. And of course they have their popular $169 brushless blower. And all the Makita deals are of course running until October 22nd as well. Just look at those killer eyes. And we pointed this out to you a couple of weeks ago when we spotted it. They got the Dewalt fan now is down to $99. Well, if you go over to Lowe's, you're going to pay a lot more than $99 for this one right now. Tool owner. And they also have the Dewalt compact chainsaw. Has a new lower price down to $159. This is a 12-inch chainsaw. Hey, who's in the mood for some outdoor power equipment? OPE tool deals. So right here we have two lawnmowers from Dewalt that have new lower prices. Keep in mind, I believe this one is a push mower. It says push, but sometimes they'll say push and then you'll see self-propelled on it. But just make sure you know what you're getting, because you don't want to get one that's push if you were expecting to be self-propelled. The other one that is self-propelled here is showing $100 lower price now. This is a new lower price, $100 lower, down to $599. And they've also got Toro's 60 volt max. This is their brushless self-propelled mower. And this one's down almost $200 now. That's the new lower price. Now that Home Depot's clearing out the patio area to make room to make this all the Christmas trees in the Christmas section, they are really discounting some of these furniture sets. So look at this. You've got the Marina Point 5-piece chat set. It's down to $449 from $899. And everywhere you look now, just like we showed you a few weeks ago, most of the patio furniture is 50% off. So this is the time to score. I mean, they're practically giving away these sling chairs. These are stackable riverbed sling chair. Nice. And you get the patio cooler here is marked down as well. This is that 5-piece chat set right here. And we can see they've taken 30% off all the patio umbrellas. And some of these are almost 50% off. Look at this one.